Hello everyone. Are we ready for another bit of fun together and music making together? So what you need today is your pot with your wooden spoon and a hula hoop. That's what you need for today. Okay, so once you've got all those things, come sit down again, sit on mommy's lap, and then we can start. Okay, let's go. You back. Let's sing hello. So nice to be with you again, guys. Let's go.
It's our time to sing together, our time to sing together. It's our time to sing together, sing hello, hello. It's our time to wave to everyone, our time to wave to everyone. It's our time to wave to everyone, wave hello, hello. It's our time to clap to everyone, our time to clap to everyone. It's our time to clap to everyone, clap hello, hello.
It's our time to tap to everyone. Our time to tap to everyone. It's our time to tap to everyone. Tap, hello, hello. It's our time to lift your shoulders. Our time to drop your shoulders. It's our time to lift your shoulders. Now you can drop them. Okay, guys. So now I want you to listen to the sound. Listen to this. What was that? That was a horse trotting. Trotting. Now let's see what the horse is going to do. That was the horse galloping. That's much faster than trotting. I think let's listen again. First we're going to listen to the horse trotting, then we're going to listen to the horse galloping. Oh, first he's going to talk. Oh wow, listen to him. Now he's trotting. Now he's going to gallop. And now he's going to talk. Oh, listen to that. That's called neighing. So now, go on, Mommy. Mommy, you put your legs out straight. So we're going to go. This is the way Mommy rides. Clippity clop, clippity clop, clippity 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 clop, clippity clop, clippity clop, clippity 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 clop. This is the way Daddy rides, like we heard. Gallop-a-trot, gallop-a-trot, galloper, galloper, gallop-a-trot. And again, gallop-a-trot, gallop-a-trot, galloper, galloper, gallop-a-trot. This is the way you ride. Jiggity-jog, jiggity-jog, jiggity-jiggity, jiggity-jog, 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 jiggity-jiggity, jiggity-jog. I've got another horse fun to do on Mommy's lap. Good, guys, so let's get ready for another one because it's fun when Mommy jogs us up and down. So we go. I want someone to buy me a pony. What is a pony? A pony is a little horse. And we go. Jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig jog, jig a jog, jig. Now you take your arms. Not too fat and not too skinny. And let's go. Jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, a jog, jig. For I want to go for a ride all around the countryside. With a jig, jog, 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 jig, a jog, jig, and stop. Let's go again. I want someone to buy me a pony. Jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, a jog, jig. Not too fat and not too skinny. Jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, jog, jig, a jog, jig. For I want to go for a ride all around the countryside. With a jig, jog, 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 jig, a jog, jig, and stop. Excellent. Okay, we'll carry on more with the horses next week. There's one other thing to do with the horses. That's for next week. Now I want you to take your drum and your wooden spoon. And now we're going to play with the beat. Like that. Play with the beat like that. And then we're also going to go around and we're going to stop and listen to the beautiful violin. Okay. Just getting my music ready. I'm ready. Are you ready? Have your spoon or your stick up in the air. And let's play. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Listen to the beat. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on you go. 2, 3. Now stop. And now go round like this. And round, the music goes really fast. Listen to those violins. Beat again. And 1, 2, 3 in time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go loud. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And round you go. And round. Fast like the violins. And beat softly. Now keep your stick up. Now sit quietly and listen to the violins. Beautiful music. Listen. Now let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. In time. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And right we go. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to do a circle dance. And we're going to walk around with Mummy. And then we're going to clap hands. And then we're going to jump. And then we're going to wiggle our bums. And we're going to stomp our feet. So let's get ready. Stand up. Hold hands. And let's start. Here we go. Dance. Dance and walk. Now look around.
I jump for a Christmas tree, I never
to jumping land.
Come with me to jumping land, jumping land, jumping
And
land.
just some more.
All you want to be with me. Come with me to jumping land.
Bounce. Bounce. Now walk around again.
I traveled far across the sea. I met a man and
walk some more.
I said, where do you live? And this is what
Now you can wiggle your back.
come with me to
And wiggle your back. Wiggle your back. Watch it wiggle your back. Wiggle your back.
come with me to
One, two, three, four. Now walk the other way this time.
I traveled far across the sea. I met a man and the sea. Old man said, where do you live? And this is what he
Now you got to
told
stomp your feet.
Come with me to stomping land, stomping
Stomp
land,
this.
stomping
And
land.
stomp some more.
All you want to
And
do
stomp some
with
more.
me.
And
Come
stomp.
with me to stomping
And now up your
land.
knees. Clap on your knees. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Excellent, guys. Now we just need to sing goodbye to each other. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to sing goodbye to our friends. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to sing goodbye. Well done. Can't wait to see you again next week. Bye.